Hello everyone, today I am sharing with you Paneer chicken fried quinoa recipe. Take 1 cup of quinoa, add it into cooking bowl, dry roast it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 cups of water. Keep the lid and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium heat. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat. Now our quinoa is ready to make Paneer chicken fried quinoa. In another pan, add some butter. When butter melts, add some paneer cubes to it and fry them until they become light brown color. When they become light brown, collect all paneer pieces into a bowl and keep it aside. Here I am taking 1 cup of small boneless chicken pieces. Now fry them for 5 minutes on a medium heat. After 5 minutes, add some finely chopped onions, some mint leaves, some sliced green chilies, some ginger garlic paste, some beans, some soaked green peas, some chopped carrots, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Now mix all of them nicely. Keep the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add fried paneer pieces and quinoa to it. Mix all of them nicely and cook it for 5 more minutes on a low heat. This is a healthy, protein-rich and low-carbs recipe as it made with chicken, paneer, quinoa, beans and so on. Paneer chicken fried quinoa is ready now. For extra flavor, add some lemon juice, cilantro and a pinch of chaat masala. Now transfer this into serving bowl and garnish it with some coriander leaves. This is a super delicious healthy food recommended for people who is on diet and who has diabetes. In each bite, you can enjoy the flavors of paneer, chicken and other vegetables. To enjoy more, you can try this along with yogurt. Hello everyone, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Indian Recipes by Nivedita to watch more Indian cooking recipe videos.